What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. And also another reminder, get a tangent wallet. Guys, you need to get a tangent wallet to keep your crypto safe. Okay, it's a nice, I've been using it and I can tell you it's a very nice way to hold your cryptos. Anyways, today we about to do the way what excuse me, I can't talk. We about to do what we always do. We're gonna look on the market, see how the market has been performing, check on our positions, okay, which are again Casper, King, Quant, and Jasmine. Those are the coins that I chose for this run. And we're about to look at price in details. You can follow along and see how yours is being performing. But anyways, today I decided, like I've been telling you guys, I was going to do a video specifically explaining what is going on with Quant, because most people seems not to understand it. A lot of people only looking at the price and they don't understand. So today I am about to tell you why the price of Quant is going sideways. And by sideways, I mean, you can see the price is only doing sometimes from 80 to 68, I think so. That's up and down, sideways. That's what's happening. So now today you got to see it. You got to understand this. Excuse me. Let me sit down right here in my car. You got to understand this. Quant, like I've been telling you guys, all those projects are going live very, very soon. Okay, I will show you one thing, because like this article came out on July 30th. Was it day before yesterday? I think it was when it came out. The stablecoin policy is almost approved. Now they're conducting tests. Okay, they're conducting different tests to see how the API are going to affect the banks and all that stuff. That's what's going on right now with the price, with the policies. When that happens, even the United States is doing it. But let's look at this article right quick. You can go and then look at it yourself later. It's on CoinDesk. See, here it says Bank of England to carry out CBDC digital ledger experiment. Digital ledger, which again I've been telling you guys, is the over ledger. So that's what they're doing right now with the Bank of England. And you're gonna hear the same thing when you go dig. You also see that the United States and other countries, they are also doing the same thing. Look at the date of the article. See the date right there. Date shows you that, yeah, that's exactly what's going on. Look at the date, July 30th. So yeah, the price might be stagnant, but this is what is happening right now. And I've told you guys so many times, everything is like interconnected. Everything is side by side. Once the stablecoins policy go live, the Quant staking project gateway is going to follow. Okay, as a matter of fact, when you go look at the supply on exchanges on Quant, that supply is at its all-time low. People are buying Quant. Most likely it's going to be a license lockup accounts like banks and the big players. That is what is happening right now. Another reason why Quant is not going up yet is the competition. I bet a lot of you did not know that Quant has a lot of competition. The competition doesn't mean that they are better than Quant. No, it means like the central banks, like people like JP Morgan. Okay, JP Morgan, JP Morgan controls the world. You know that. I know everybody knows that. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm in my parking lot. We know JP Morgan controls the world right now. JP Morgan has their foot so much in the SWIFT system as that they dictate and control everything. So what did they do? They play dirty. JP Morgan starts to fund other companies, okay, that also have the same technology. Quant was the first to come out with the technology. But just like anything else, you know, just like I'm gonna give you an example, like Bitcoin. Bitcoin came out, and you have other people that started coming out. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. There was even a time I saw a Bitcoin Black. I was like, God. I was like, excuse me. I was like, God damn. There's so many Bitcoins out there, okay, trying to be the original. That's exactly the same thing happening with Quant. Quant is the original program, the original overledger that started this. But now we have other competition out there. Okay, and what do JP Morgan does? JP Morgan starts to fund those competitions, those competitors. That's what they do. So since right now, again, a lot of people don't like it. People don't like centralization. It is going to take time before things become decentralized. And I understand the reason why they don't like centralization. Okay, it's hot out here. The reason is, first of all, the government wants to know who, when, and how. Okay, I'm not a politics guy. I don't go into that. But when you start digging for information, you start to find out things like that. Like, for example, if they put sanctions on you, how do you think they do it? The only way you move money around, either by dealing with selling oil, selling diamonds, or whatever, from country to country, is using the SWIFT system. And who controls the SWIFT system? Who's the major partner in the JP Morgan? Do you understand? So now, what they do, like I said, they start funding quant competition. And those competitions, you are not going to find them because not most of them, all of them, none of them has a token. The only company that deals in that technology area with a token is Quant. The rest of them don't have token. You know what? Let me just show you. Let's go right quick. The first one we're going to see is going to be Kodat. Kodat is the same thing. They do APIs, money transactions from country to country, okay? And you're about to see. Now let's go here. I'm gonna show you right quick. That here. This is Kodat. Build Connect. You see who is the main of their sponsor? JP Morgan. Look at that right there. JP Morgan. They are the only people that do this. Data products makes it easy to access, synchronize, and interpret data from businesses, customers, financial software. Them. So see who is their their main sponsor? JP Morgan. Let me show you another one. Let me excuse me, not there. Let me show you another one. See these guys. This is just a few of them. Okay. See, this is Thought Machine. Thought Machine is also another company, another competition that does the same thing like Quant Network. The only thing is that they don't do multi-chain. That's why I'm telling you guys, Quant is gonna blow. They don't do multi-chain, and guess who is funding these guys? JP Morgan. So see, they do the same thing. They go like loans, and this company is in England. I guess most of you in England right there, you can confirm this. So they do the same thing. See that? Vault payments, Vault platform, cloud native, all this stuff. They do the same thing, but like I say, JP Morgan, trusted by who? JP Morgan Chase. Again, I'm telling you, these guys, what they do, they are trying to stop the progress of Quant at all cost. Okay, so let's look at again another one. Let's go look again. I do have them here. Another one you gotta look at is this guy. Again, Form 3 is another competition, and when you look at trusted by who? JP Morgan. Do you understand now? Do you see why it is so difficult, or why Quant is kind of price is going sideways instead of going up? So let's go back here. These are just a few. Okay, these are just a few of the competition that these guys, okay, the JP Morgan and all the banks, the big guys that control the money in the world right now, that's what they're doing. They fear that once that overledger technology goes live, they are going to lose a lot. So what they're doing is that they are funding different competition. But if you're holding Quant and you go follow their work, like I said, this information, you are not going to easily find it on the web. You really have to dig deep. You really have to like dig for it, go into that rabbit hole, and you will find so much. That is why I am so bullish with Quant. Call me crazy. I have my leverage position at 50x long with Quant. Call me crazy, but I'm telling you, this thing is about to take off. It's about to. Now, if we look at Quant on its own, okay, Quant on its own, they have all started working on a lot of other stuff to counter everybody else. Because like I tell you, go look at the BRICS. You know, people are trying to rebel against the SWIFT system. Okay, people are rebelling, trying to go into something better that is not so much centralized. Therefore, if you look at China, China is not using the BRICS anymore. It's not using our SWIFT system anymore. They are using the M-Bridge. Okay, if you look at Russia is no longer using the SWIFT system. They are using the M-Bridge, which is by Quant Technologies. It's a Quant technology. Okay, there is a lot of other countries that have started to do that. And that being said, you also know, like most banks, like the Bank of England and other people, they have started testing, they have started testing Quant APIs to see how payments affect, how they can like track those payments. You know, I think that there's somebody was also talking about reverse payments. Something like, for example, if you send money through the bank and the money goes to the wrong person, how they can reverse it back to you. Things like that. You know, in crypto right now, if you send somebody your crypto, you cannot reverse that payment. You can't. So Quant is working on a way that that payment can be reversed back. But there is a lot going on it. Let me show you something that I also found out on Twitter. It's like a couple. That was like a day or two ago. Where is it? Twitter, right here. Some people call it X. I call it Twitter. Look at that. That was one day ago. Breaking news. The Bank of England confirms their new RTGS will be introduced in the next few months. Next few months, I can tell you guys, we're talking about probably the next 3 months. That's what we're talking about. Okay, if you look at it, the system currently settles 755 billions per day. Okay, the new system, which include a new core ledger and greater interoperability, okay, is likely to use Quant. Let me show you more. It's likely to use Quant. Okay, that is what they are testing. They don't want to tell people right away, yeah, we are going to use Quant or we are going to do this. You know how there's so many rules and regulations about price manipulation and all that crap going on in this world. Okay, that's why I'm telling you guys, this thing is about to take off. It's about to take off. Yeah, we have a problem with the JP Morgan and the rest of the big guy that don't want to let go of the old ways. They don't want to let go of the old ways. They don't want innovation to take place. But I'm telling you, once these policies go live, once the policies go live, stablecoin policies, staking policies, all that stuff, once they go live, you are going to see Quant take off. And that's why I keep telling you guys, the next 3 months are going to be monumental for Quant. They are going to be monumental. All you have to do, DCA, hold on to your leverage, scale it up, or do whatever. But because me, I have my spot, and I also have my leverage account ready for it. We're about to see. This thing cannot go on forever, right? You see how price is dumping at everything. Quant is just ranging. It's just ranging. It's not going low, it's not going high, it's just ranging. And every asset that ranges for that long, when it breaks out, the breakout usually be very, very violent. That's why I keep telling you guys, I'm expecting to see Quant at $1,000 sooner than you guys, a lot of people, believe. I'm expecting to see that. That's why I have my positions open at 50x and ready to catch on that rain. You understand? Anyways, now let's go right quick. I hope this explained a lot. I hope it explains why you see the price doing what it is doing. So, and anyways, you should also do your own research. Go look into it, research, and you will see. Anyways, now let's go look at how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's go into my crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles, where are you? There you go. Now we're about to check exactly how those 3 coins that we are dealing with in this my millionaire journey, how they've been performing for the past 24 hours. As you can see, the whole market is red. The whole market is red, and this usually be the reaction for the FOMC meeting. That's why this weekend I think the prices are going to blow up out of proportion. If you remember the last FOMC meeting, the few of them, they've been the same. Price usually go down a little, then it takes off. But anyways, let's go look at Casper, the king itself. KAS Casper that had a huge breakout yesterday. As you can see on the hour, Casper is down 1.7%. 4.7% down on the day. On the week, we are up 12.3%. On the month, up 7.6%. And on the year, 366%. Looking at Quant, QNT, we have that Quant is down 2.2% down, 5% down on the day, 6.4% down on the week, 18.8% down on the month, and 36.3% down on the year. Now looking at Jasmine, JAS, Jasmine coin, we have on the last hour down 3.6%, on the last day 11.3% down, on the week we have 0.9% up, on the month 6.4% down, and on the year Jasmine is up 602%. Now this, as you see, I keep looking at these numbers. If you put them on a graph, okay, if you put them on a graph, you will see that they are just ranging. They are not, it's like they're going sideways, these numbers. But anyways, now let's go look at the numbers, at the prices in more details on the trading view. Here we go. Okay, let's open that up right now. All right, we're gonna start with King Casper. So, excuse me for the noise. You can see Casper is doing exactly as I always tell you guys it's going to do. We break out, okay, we broke out, usually come back and retest. Okay, we usually come back and retest the previous resistance slash support. Then once we confirm this, Casper will take off. Okay, this move, like I told you guys yesterday, this move is printing a target of 41 to 51 cents. That's what it is proving, because we just broke out of this triangle. But anyways, you see I had this line here for the longest, which was a very, very significant resistance. That was the last all-time high. Casper broke out of it. Okay, now it's as I'm recording this, it is coming back to retest. It's going to retest this, and what we are going to see, we're going to bounce. I'm expecting it to bounce and start going up. Okay, or during today, it's a Thursday, we're probably going to see this sideways moving. Okay, up and down, up and down. It's going to bounce up, getting supported by the ribbon until the weekend. Okay, we're probably going to see a major breakout on Casper, probably Saturday or the end of Sunday. We're about to see that. If you go on the 4-hourly, because this was the 1 hour, on the 4-hourly you can see it perfectly. Okay, we broke out of the triangle, came back, retested it, broke above it. We took out the all-time high. Now we're coming back to retest the all-time high. Look at that. It is being supported by the ribbon. I'm expecting this price to go do this like a little bull flag, something similar like this, and then take off. That's what I'm expecting here for Casper. Now if you go look on the daily, let's look on the daily right quick. You can also even see it very, very clear. This was the triangle. Okay, like I told you guys, I had these lines and I already measured it. This thing is going to be up there between 41 to 51 cents. That's the target. As you can see, we broke out, and Casper is now currently getting supported by the all-time high. The last all-time high is turning into support. So that's what we're about to do right now, just range forward. Now let's go look at Quant, QNT, Binance. As you can see again, Quant is just ranging for the last day. As you can see, we are all going sideways. That's what we are doing, sideways. Excuse me, let me put on my arrow. Let me bring my arrow right now. Nothing has changed yet. Nothing. The only time that I will see this changing is if Quant takes this lower 63 or 64 dollars. If Quant goes below it, that is when I will be a little worried about the price. But so far nothing has changed. All it is doing, this resistance, like I told you guys, it always happens. Crypto breaks above, always come back to retest, use the resistance as support. That's what it is doing. It's using the resistance and support. Then next thing you are going to see, we're going to see Quant take off. And what is so good about this is because by the time it take off, it's going to form a double bottom. Again, if you want to look at it in another way, the inverse head and shoulder is what is being formed right now. This was the first shoulder, this was the head, the second shoulder is getting formed right now. Quant is going to go up, and we're going to take the $80. That's the first resistance. Once we take that $80 price out of the way, this will lead Quant to go above right here, $95, $96. And this right here will lead us to begin that uptrend. The uptrend, like if you go on the weekly on Quant, let me zoom out on the weekly. Again, those of you who are afraid of the price, the main target of all this you're seeing right now is up here, $124, $125. That's what Quant is gearing up to do right now. So I'm not worried about it, guys. Like I said, I am getting ready. My positions are ready. They are ready. They are open, and I'm getting ready to make that money. You understand? You understand what I mean, right? So let me go back right here. If you're afraid, you're going to lose the money. Some people want to wait for a confirmed breakout. Here in my millionaire journey, we don't do that. We take the risk. The more risk you take, the bigger is your reward. That is why I have my positions open. Not financial advice. You can do the same, or you can wait until the confirmation of that move shows up. But I don't want to wait. I want to take that risk right now, because I know exactly where this position is going to be in 2 to 3 months from now. So now let's go look at our positions right quick. Please do not leverage trade if you do not understand what you're doing. But if you do, down below I do have my Bydfi and my Phemex links. You can click on them, register. They are going to give you free money. Use the free money to start leverage trading. Once you grow that account and start making money, take your initial money out and then start playing with the gains that you get. Anyways, let's start with Bydfi, my long-term trade, my seasonal trades. And if you don't understand what I mean by seasonal, I have a video down on my video playlist. You can go look at it and you see the difference. But anyways, let's go right quick on my Bydfi. Oh, here we go. A lot of you who have been following my channel, you already know we are ranging. I told you this is going to be a 6-figure account in 10 months from now. We're about to see. But anyways, my total is still ranging. The other yesterday I was almost $29,000, but as you can see, it is still right there, 26,300, which is doing pretty good compared to how the market is been performing lately. But anyways, now let's go look at the contracts, each contract. But like I said, wow, Quant is at 66. That is a very good entry price for anyone who is interested in that. But anyways, as you can see, my Jasmine, yeah, the market is dumping. I'm still up 54%, which is 1,700. My Quant, yep, market is going down. It's still up 6%, which is $300. Now, when you look at the King Casper, okay, King Casper, that's the biggest, my biggest conviction here, because I'm a Casper Maxi. I'm still up 99%, which is 8,100. Now, let's go look at my short-term trades, which are trades that I trade based on support and resistance, and these are on my Phemex account. Excuse me. Okay, I'm gonna sign in. Now, as you know, like yesterday, my account was up like 11, close to almost $12,000, but due to the market, now we see I'm down 10,400. Again, I'm not worried about that because I know this thing is about to reverse. Once you look at my contract, I do have here my Jasmine. I am still up 119%. 119%, which is 2,200. On my Casper, it's already catching up slowly. I am up 41%, which is $1,800. Again, for these ones, you need to understand one thing. On Casper, you gotta wait. Okay, start looking at taking profit at 30 cents. Okay, 30 cents. Look at 30 cents, because when I go to here at 30 cents, this position will make me 7,000, almost $7,800. That will be the first point that I'm going to look at. And again, I will look again at 40 cents. This position will make me $13,000. And if the market is still reacting, going up due to the smart contracts and everything else that is going to be released soon, I'm gonna look at 50 cents. 50 cents. This position is gonna make me $19,000. Yeah, definitely there. I'm going to take a lot of profits right there, because depends on what the market is doing. If the market is not reacting good due to we don't have listings or something like that, I think price is going to come back down like it always do. Price always come back down, and I think Casper will have a major correction from 50 cents to 25 cents or something like that, or from 50 cents to 30 cents. So I'm gonna take profits at 50 and try to scale up my position again at those prices of 25 or 30 cents. So yeah, but if they get a listing, you should expect Casper to go up to $1. It's not going to be a straight line. It's going to take it up and down. On Jasmine, you guys already know. On Jasmine, I've already told you guys. Jasmine, I'm expecting first of all 5 cents, which will make me $12,000. Look at the market and decide if it is still going up. I'm let it ride. Then I'm expect 8 cents, which will make me $24,000. Or the technical target of the bull flag, like I've told you guys every time, on the weekly, which is 10 cents. 10 cents is this position is going to make me $33,000. Okay, that is another one. Now we have a little bit of resistance at 12 cents, but if it breaks that without any problem, Jasmine is going to 20 cents. At 20 cents, like I've showed you guys many times on the weekly, I will take a lot of profits at 20 cents, which this position will be at $75,000. Those are the points that I am looking at. So, guys, be patient. Quant is going to make you a lot of money. I hope I explained some of your problems or whatever is was clouding your mind about Quant. Go do your research. Go look at it, and you will understand why the price is doing what it is doing. Why you should not lose your conviction, because that right there is about to make you a lot of money. It's not financial advice. But anyways, thank you for checking out my videos. Please subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, so please subscribe, like, comment. I would like to know what you think about this particular subject, and share this video so that a lot of people can see and they can join our family. That being said, thank you for checking out my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.